Hey my hearts, welcome to Brytn's World of Curls. The concoction is new for me. It's Jozi Curls from Target. All right, this is the bag full of the items I purchased. I purchased the leave-in conditioner, the curl hydrating pudding, the styling gel, the curl enhancing spray, and the hair and scalp oil. All right, first I'm going to soak my hair with my water spray. And this is clean shampooed hair. I did not purchase their shampoo and conditioner, but I probably will. All right, first product I'm using is the leave-in conditioner. And already I love how it feels in my hair. I love the consistency. And the smell is not bad, I have to give it to you. I'm just working it through my hair. Next, I'm going to apply the hair and scalp oil, making sure to work it through and massage my scalp. All right, time to section my hair and apply the products. So I will be using the hydrating pudding and the styling gel. And just working it through each section. And that's the amount that I'm using each time for each section. So let's see what this does for my hair. And as you can see, I am combing the product through my hair. I really want it to be evenly distributed through all of my hair. And we are finally on the back of this big head, y'all. Bear with me, but I'm trying to really do it in sections because when I don't, I just get a whole big old poof ball. And being that my hair is at this awkward length because I'm really trying to let it grow out, I don't want a poof ball. And once again, to you who may point this out, yes, it looks like I don't have hair, but I really do, trust me. When it's all said and done, you'll see how thick my hair really is. I'm really loving the consistency of these products. For $4.99, wow. And after I comb it through, I pick it out because now we are going to start scrunching. Scrunching on your hair. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. This helps define the curls. And I am so excited to see how this turns out, you guys. New product that is inexpensive. Each product is only $4.99, you guys. Come on. If this works, we are in business. All right, this is the blow dryer that I use with the diffuser. This is a Conair blow dryer. I do wish it was a bit smaller because it would be easier to handle, but you know what? We make it do what it do, baby. Been around the world and ay. Woo! 3 hours later. It takes forever to diffuse, but I'd rather do this than go out with a wet head in this cold. Do you see the shrinkage, my people? Do you see the shrinkage? Don't come for me. I already know I got a big head and a big neck, so shut up. Let's keep it moving. Now it's time to pick it out. I'm going to pick it out. Of course, not going all the way through, just in the roots. Look how pretty it is, though, you guys. I am really impressed already. So let's just keep picking through and see what the end product is. And to think I almost didn't try this product. What? Okay, excuse me. Do y'all see this definition? I am huge on definition. I love my curls to be very defined, but I also don't want the shrinkage. You see what I'm saying? So picking it out, it is really, really, really pretty to me. Oh my goodness. And I'm loving my blonde hair. Yes, I am. Y'all, I've tried my best not to dye it anymore, but I couldn't take it. I look like an old lady. That gray hair wore me down. Do you hear me? Yes, I'm 51, but guess what? We're going to wait until about 65, 70 before we start appreciating the gray, if God willing. Do y'all see this definition? Oh, my Lord. Oh, I can't, y'all. Let me stop talking. Look how pretty the back is, you guys. Look at it. I really can't stand it. I mean, it is really, really, really pretty. Okay, let's keep going. This is my thoughts on this. Price point is wonderful. $4.99 per product. Come on, you can't beat it. I love the definition. I love the feel of my hair. I love that there's no film on my hand and my skin. The smell is not overwhelming at all. The moisture level, I would give it a 6. My overall thought, I give this a 9. Thanks for watching, you guys. Remember, all curly hair is not the same. Try it for yourself.